Hey crypto friends, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to go about choosing which cryptocurrencies to trade on a daily basis or to day trade. So guys, if you're one of those people who you're looking into, potentially day trading cryptocurrency, but you don't know which coins to actually trade, I'm going to show you how to go about, figuring out which coins to trade. Okay, this is the way that a lot of people use, but again, you guys, this is not a guaranteed method. Okay, everybody's going to have a different opinion. Everybody does things differently. This is just the way I go about figuring out which coins I'm going to day trade. Okay, so guys, there's three things you got to watch out for and think about here first. Okay. First thing you want to think about is how much risk do you want to take on, okay? Second thing you want to figure out is, which exchange do you want to be using to day trade? And third of all, you want to figure out what kind of profits you want to make, all right? Now, first things first here, you guys, I do have to say, and I will say, I am a MEXC partner, simply because I use MEXC on a daily basis. This is the exchange that I trade on, simply because they add new altcoins on literally a weekly basis. And it's awesome because you can make some pretty darn big profits from a lot of these coins that get added on a weekly basis, you guys, because a lot of them tend to pump up within the first like 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so it's pretty nice. So if you want to go ahead and give MEXC a try, I've got a link in the video description down below this video for you to go ahead and try, you guys. Other than that, you guys, so here's the thing, all right? If you want to take on minimal risk, all right? If you want to take on minimal risk, meaning, realistically here, by minimal risk, I mean you have a lesser chance of losing your money, okay? If you want to take on minimal risk, I highly recommend only trading Bitcoin or altcoins that are within the top 100 on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, okay? Simply because they are usually, these coins usually always have plenty of trade volume and volatility to make decent profits on a regular basis, okay? Now guys, if risk isn't a big deal to you and you feel comfortable taking on more risk, you can always get into trading newly launched altcoins or small altcoins, even meme coins too as well if you want. But if you do this kind of thing, if you do this kind of trading, you guys, keep in mind that the risk with trading these types of coins is extremely, extremely high, and you could potentially end up, losing all your money if it doesn't pump as fast as you'd hoped or anything. So guys, the next thing I want to talk about here is it's all going to depend on, which exchanges you're using as well. So you want to make sure that the exchange that you're using is best for the type of coins that you want to trade and or the type of risk that you want to get yourself into, okay? For example, you guys, if you only plan on trading the main top tier altcoins, then you'll be just fine with, using a mainstream exchange that doesn't have very, very many coins to offer, like Coinbase or Binance, for instance. But guys, if you want to trade as many coins as possible, even the newly launched altcoins and all kinds of altcoins in general, you're going to be fine. You're going to want to be trading with on exchanges like, MEXC or Gate.io or even KuCoin, okay? Since a lot of these exchanges add new altcoins on a regular weekly basis. As we can clearly see here, like I was talking about earlier, I've got a quick crypto exchange comparison here that I made a long time ago. As we can clearly see, right now, at the time of me filming this video, Gate.io has 1,455 coins to trade from. KuCoin has 725. MEXC has 1,483. So these three exchanges have the most coins for you to trade on a regular basis, okay? But if you're from the United States, the MEXC or the exchange you're going to want to use if you want to trade the most coins as possible is going to be MEXC, okay? And like I said again, guys, there's a link in the video description down below this video if you want to give it a try. Other than that, you guys, here's the thing, all right? I'm going to show you now how to actually go about figuring out which coins to trade, okay? If you want to trade the top tier coins, okay? So if you don't care about trading all kinds of altcoins and you would prefer to take on minimal risk, here's what you want to do, okay? Typically, you guys, most people just go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or something like that, and this is what they do, you guys. Simply what you do is you just go to, you've got your main assets all right here, Bitcoin number 1, Ethereum number 2, and then you see this volume section right here. Okay, volume is going to play a big factor in deciding which coins you're going to be trading, okay? As you guys can see here, when you hover over the eye here, it says its volume 24 hours is a measure of how much of a cryptocurrency was traded in the last 24 hours, okay? You want to be trading coins that have a lot of money flowing through it within the last 24 hours because the more money that flows through it, the more volatile it's going to be. And the more volatile it is means the bigger the price swings that are going to be likely happening, okay? Or the bigger chances there are for price swings to be able to make profits, okay? So realistically here, you want to toggle this. So we'll go ahead and toggle it. And as we can clearly see here, we're just not even going to count the stable coins because nobody's trading stable coins like this. But realistically here, you guys, obviously we got Bitcoin and Ethereum as number 1 and 2. Now, as you guys can see here, daily volume on these coins the number is in the billions, okay? 1,000 million billion. $14.9 billion was traded within the last 24 hours, which is huge. It's astronomical for the crypto market. So as far as that is concerned, you guys, what I would personally recommend is to make sure you are trading coins. If you want to trade top tier coins, make sure you're trading top tier coins that have at least a daily 24-hour volume of at least $100 million or more, okay? So when we scroll down all the way here, we can see that that cutoff would be roughly around like right here, okay? We're right at Compound and Monero and stuff like that, okay? I mean, you can trade the rest of them in the top 100, but I mean, realistically, I personally like, I mean, this is based on my personal opinion. I personally like to stick with coins that are above the 100 million volume mark in a 24-hour period because simply, you guys, like I said earlier, they make the most volatile swings on a regular basis, okay? Now, again, if you want to, you know, like let's say, for instance, like if you're trading on Coinbase or Binance or something, Coinbase only supports 210 coins. Binance only supports 390. Binance US only supports 125. Binance just doesn't support very many coins at all. So again, guys, I will reiterate this again, okay? If you want the best chance for success and the best chance to make the most profits as possible, if you want to be able to trade all of these coins, you want to be using an exchange that has all of these coins, okay? And an exchange like MEXC, KuCoin, or Gate.io is going to have every single one of these coins or most of them, okay? So again, you guys, I will repeat it one more time. If you want to go ahead and give MEXC a try, there's a link in the video description down below, okay? I cannot reiterate enough how much I love helping people make profits. I want to see people succeed in this space. I was there at one point in time, you guys. I want to see people make money. So, hey, anything I can do to help, this is awesome, all right? So again, make sure you're choosing coins that have high volume in the last 24 hours, okay, you guys? These are the coins that are going to be the most volatile with the most largest price swings on a regular daily basis, okay? So overall here, though, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section of my future videos.